is 8 a.m., but we have a few things to do today, so let's get ready. I think I'm going to leave my hair like this today. I know it looks crazy. I haven't even brushed it, but I put heat on my hair every single day, and I know it's so bad for it. I'll probably just take a clip in case it gets kind of crazy. Okay, we're going just like this, but I have like 30 minutes until I have to leave the house. So let's go pick up a little bit and probably start some laundry. I just realized I could go pay my mom car insurance. So we're gonna leave a minute early instead. But now I feel rushed because this wasn't part of my plan. And if you're a planner, you know exactly what I mean. So we just paid my mom insurance money, and now we're going to meet a girl that I'm buying some baby clothes from. I told myself to stop buying because obviously I still have a baby shower. But this girl was selling bamboo sleepers for $5 a piece. How do you turn that down? So I got like 5 sleepers and some socks. Okay, so now I'm leaving the Social Security office. My last name is officially changed. I mean, I guess it was changed with the marriage license, but like on my Social Security card now. So that's exciting. So now I can hopefully change my name on everything else. Whoever told me this part was easy, you lied. You lied. This is so difficult to do. Okay, I'm going to show you all the clothes I got really quick, and then I'm going to go get some lunch. All of these are like bamboo that has little cows on it. Literally perfect. This has little like construction type. Oh. She did tell me not to dry bamboo because it'll shrink. I have some bamboo at the house and I didn't know that, so hopefully they're not ruined. And then we got this one. We got this entire bag of socks for literally like $3.